Hi everybody, this video is a long time coming. It's been over 2 months since my last video and so much has happened. So I am going to try and just let you know what's been going on and then let you get to the video. It's not scripted. I'm not good with scripting, so it's just flying by the seat of my pants as usual. So after my last video, I was asked to make a video on how to taper men's pants. And I did that video, but when I was going over it and reviewing it, I realized that I wasn't explaining things very well, which is actually a weakness of mine. I know how to do all these things, but explaining it is a little more difficult for me. So I'm either going to reshoot that or do a voiceover, but that's kind of weird because I talk with my hands and it doesn't always match up, but whatever, I'll figure something out. So after that video was done, I flew to Washington because my daughter had her first child. So I'm on grandchild number 4, girl number 2. So I flew out there, and at that time, my son-in-law got a job interview in eastern Montana. So we drove all the way to Montana and then drove all the way back. And then a couple days later, he got a call saying that he got the job. So then we packed everything up and we moved all the way back to Montana. So in my 2 weeks, that's how that vacation went. And it was really stressful because I don't like being in small places. And I certainly don't like to be in a small car traveling across states like that and having to be still. So that was difficult. On the last trip over though, we took the RV, so it made it much nicer. And if you've never been in that part of the country, it is beautiful and you're missing it. You need to go check it out. But for those who haven't or can't, I did some video. I took some video and photos of that trip. So this is basically what this one is. This video is just showing you the trip and to let you know that this other video is coming. I have a lot of interests. You know, this is my passion. This is what I do, sewing. It's how I relax. It's my therapy, but I like to do other things. I have a lot of interests. So my son does eBay flipping. He'll buy something and flip it and sell it on eBay. And I do the same thing. So he put a challenge out. So I think I'm going to do the challenge and see how that works out. I used to actually make children's clothes and sell them on eBay many years ago, but I don't do that anymore. So yeah, that's where we're at now. Now, I've been trying to get this video up, but during my vacation, my laptop hard drive crashed. And so I had another one. I have the MacBook Vintage or Classic. I think they call it the Classic because I don't want to say it's a dinosaur and it's just really old. So I have 2 of them. So I came back home and I switched out hard drives and the programs don't work correctly. So it's just trying to get everything to work together. So I actually set up a Patreon account. If you guys are interested in helping out just to keep me going and being able to do these videos, I would appreciate it. I'll put the link down below in the description box. Whether you do $1 or $10 or $50, it's all appreciated and it all goes towards getting the supplies I need and the equipment I need to keep doing the videos. So that being said, I hope you enjoy the video and I want to thank you again for all the subscribers. I've got up to like 226 at the time of this shooting. So I appreciate everybody hanging in there and all the new subscribers. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Bye.